Hello guys, it's Luna here. Today we're making SioPao, Filipino style steamed bun. It's delicious. First, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of quick rising yeast, just like that. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 cups of warm water. Mix it right in and leave it for 5 minutes. It's going to be blowing up just like that. To that, I'm going to add half cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of a baking powder, 2 tablespoons of a white vinegar. It's crucial. And adding 6 cups of all-purpose flour to that for your dough. And I'm using my stand mixer. If you don't have it, you can totally just use your good old muscle to do it. And at the end, I'm just gonna knead a little bit with my own hand to make sure it's nicely combined. And you're gonna cover and leave it in a warm place for an hour. And I'm using pork tenderloin to cut up a little cubes and cook it until there's no pink with a little bit of oil. Then to that, I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of a hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice wine, 1 piece of star anise, half cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And mix that all up and get your meat ready and have some boiled egg and chop it up. It's totally optional, but I do love egg in my steamed bun, so you should do it too. And I'm gonna have a wax paper cut up to put it underneath of my steamed bun and get your steam set ready. Mine is this. And this is how you make your SioPao steamed bun. Just flat right it up and then put some your mixture right in and close it right in. And I do usually put 4 in one steam set, and this is the product you get. And oh my god, it's so good. And if you're looking for a delicious home meal idea, I'm the girl. Follow me for more Luna Made.